welcome to day 2 of my 12 days of Christmas. Today's cup is so stinking cute. It is the Gingerbread Baking Co. kind of just gingerbread inspired cup. I've seen a lot of cups where it has like a gingerbread man on it, or like, you know, it's gingerbread themed, but this is like the whole cup is gingerbread, if that makes sense. It just makes me want to eat gingerbread. So if you guys want to see how to get this cup, let's get into the tutorial, and make sure you come back for day 3 tomorrow. Starting off with this cup, this is from Makerflow. It's a 32-ounce tapered cup. I really love Makerflow. Their cups are great quality. I love their lids. I love that you get this really nice box that it comes in, and it also has like a care card inside. I'm going to use these 2 paints. These are coming out in the Earth bundle, should be soon, but these 2 mixed made the perfect gingerbread color. So just mixing those together. And I'm using one of our large brushes. It's just like a large makeup brush. It's going to apply the Color Fix paint really nice and smooth and just give you that full coverage, smooth application. But look how perfect this color is as gingerbread. Like, it literally makes me want to eat gingerbread right now. So then just doing a second coat. If I'm doing glitter over top of the Color Fix paint, I'll just do 1 coat. But if I'm just doing the solid color, I like 2. Then going in with my first layer of epoxy. This is the Artistry 1-to-1 Fast Set. And I had a little moth coming in, and I was so scared that it was going to get stuck to the epoxy, and that would not have been good, but luckily it stayed over there and then it just flew away afterwards. So then I cut out some decals in white vinyl. Yeah, I just found some like little gingerbread house little designs that I thought were cute. I got them from the Studio app, I believe. Then using some transfer tape to put this on the cup. This little house didn't have like a white outline, so I ended up doing an offset just so I could get the white outline of it, and then transferring that on as well. But I loved that this little house was really skinny and tall. A lot of them are more wide and shorter, but this one just, it looks so cute on this cup. So then I cut out these little like zigzag and swirl kind of looking trees, just anything I thought looked like it could be icing on a gingerbread cookie. Just deciding where I want those on my cup. So I did one tree on either side of the little house and then just another one on the back. And you could even put little gingerbread men or women on your little cup. I just wanted to keep it more simple with just kind of trees and the house and some snowflakes. Then I got this Gingerbread Baking Co. decal from Etsy. I will link it down below. It did have a bunch of other Christmas stuff in there, and it actually had like a border around that as well, but I took that off. I just wanted it more simple. Then I cut out a bunch of different types of snowflakes and different sizes. So some are bigger, smaller. I think I did like 3 different designs of snowflakes just to give it some little variations in there. Then of course I had to weed that out, and it was very time consuming, and I never think about how easy something is going to be to weed before I cut it out. I think it's cute and I cut it out, and then I'm like, oh, I should have got simpler snowflakes that didn't have like these little intricate insides that I had to weed out, but I didn't think about that. So just make sure you're thinking about that when you're cutting out vinyl, because I never do. Then placing the snowflakes just around the cup. I like to start with the front of the cup just to make sure it's looking good with what's already on there. I also like to start with the bigger snowflakes, get those on first, and then the small ones. And then you kind of do the small ones to fill in the space. Going until you're happy with how it looks and all the bigger gaps are filled in. Then I did another layer of epoxy. Taking some glitter glue in our little needle bottle and some snowy glitter in small. So with the needle bottle, I just go and kind of outline where I want to get some glitter. I'm just doing a little bit here and there. So you just want to squeeze very gently with this bottle. It's just to add a little bit of sparkle here and there. I think this cup would also look really good with no glitter on it and then done as a matte cup, but I ended up just wanting to add a little bit of sparkle. On the snowflakes, I more just kind of dotted it in the center and then a dot here and there around the edges. I didn't want to outline the whole thing and get too much glitter on there. Just a subtle little touch. was done, I did 2 more layers of epoxy to finish off the cup. Done. I think it's so cute, but also not too much and over the top. I think you guys know by now my style is a little more subtle, a little more simple, and I love it. I love these colors. I just love everything about it. And how cute would this be to be drinking from while you're making a gingerbread house? That is it for this video, and make sure you come back tomorrow for day 3. Bye guys.